What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best garden rake. The best garden rake efficiently clears debris, leaves, and grass with its sturdy design and ergonomic handle, making yard maintenance a breeze. There are a lot of products available to choose to garden rake, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garden rake products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jardineer Leaf Rake. This adjustable leaf rake from Jardineer can perform a variety of gardening tasks. The rake head is expandable from 7 to 23 inches, and a lock keeps it fixed in any position. The long telescopic handle reduces the need for bending down and prevents fatigue while raking. Weighing just 1.37 pounds, this rake also is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Its thick aluminum handle is sturdy and comfortable to hold for an extended period. This rake can be used to gather clippings, leaves, and loose lawn debris. When compressed to its narrowest width, it can get under hedges and in between flower beds without damaging delicate plants. The Jardineer garden rake leaf doesn't require assembly, which is another big plus. We found a few reports of broken and bent parts, but the product is covered by a 1-year warranty. Positive side of this product. Lightweight, head adjusts for various tasks, can clear narrow areas and wider spaces, sturdy aluminum handle. Negative side of this product. Parts may bend or break over time. Number 2. TABOR Tools Adjustable Metal Rake. If the leaf raking duties at your house are shared by folks with varying heights, then a rake with an adjustable handle reduces back fatigue and complaining. The TABOR Tools telescopic metal rake not only has an adjustable handle, but it also has an adjustable rake head that can move from 8 to 23 inches in width. Made of lightweight galvanized steel that should not rust, this is a great rake for small urban yards. It is not a good choice for heavy tasks, such as spreading mulch or dethatching grass, but works great for raking leaves. Since the head width can be adjusted, you can get in tight spaces under shrubs and in small garden beds. The handle adjusts and locks at any length from 63 to 32 inches. This not only makes it more comfortable to use, but also reduces storage space. Since it collapses into an 8 by 32 inch tool, this rake is great to take along to a campsite to clear away leaves for a tender campfire. Positive side of this product. Lightweight, adjustable rake head and handle, galvanized non-rusting steel tines, collapsible. Negative side of this product. Not suitable for heavy raking tasks. Number 3. MEKKAPRO Leaf Scoops. Leaf scoops take the work of a rake and simplify it. Instead of raking leaves into a pile and then scooping them up with gloved hands, you can do both in one fell swoop. The latest model of the MEKKAPRO Leaf Scoops offers increased durability, with reinforced plastic to hold up under the weight of larger piles of leaves. The plastic material is easy to clean and, with a shell-like design, these scoops fit together for compact storage in your garage or tool shed. Now when autumn arrives, you won't have to dread leaf season, just scoop them up and you're finished. We've noted that the handles can dig into some wrists, based on the particular person. Make your garden and lawn care chores even easier and better with MEKKAPRO Leaf Scoops V2.0. Positive side of this product. Can handle heavy loads, easy to store and clean, durable. Negative side of this product. Handles may dig into wrists. Number 4. 𝐍𝐨 Tools 92630 Polylawn. Got large piles of leaves. This heavy-duty leaf rake from Poly Tools gets the job done. The handle is made of durable fiberglass designed to stay rigid under pressure, and the smooth surface makes it comfortable to hold. With an overall length of 72 inches and a 30-inch curved head, you get plenty of reach to pull heavy loads of leaves. The wide fan of tines, which feature reinforced ridges on both sides, can pick up saturated yard debris with ease. This rake requires assembly but is simple to put together. All you need to do is attach the handle to the head and secure it with a screw. We found a few reports of broken parts upon delivery, so be sure to take advantage of the limited lifetime warranty if you encounter any problems. Also, at 3.4 pounds, this rake is on the heavier side. While the heft is necessary for heavy-duty jobs, users may find it too cumbersome for raking lightweight leaves. Number 5. AMES Self-Cleaning Thatch Rake. Leaving deep layers of leaves on a lawn eventually kills the grass. Leaving a thick layer of thatch grass clippings, stolons, and rhizomes that have not decomposed is equally as detrimental to a healthy lawn. While some thatch is removed when raking leaves, removing thatch with a rake can be hard work. But the AMES rake does a thorough job. The AMES rake features a head with 2 types of tines. The straight-edge tines loosen and remove the dead thatch layer with ease. Flip the head over, and the flare-edge tines can be used to scratch or scarify the soil to prepare it for reseeding, if needed. The head and tines are made of steel, so they are strong enough to pull through the most tangled mat of thatch. Positive side of this product. 15-year limited warranty, self-cleaning head, dethatching, scarifying tines. Negative side of this product. Not adjustable, not suitable for raking leaves. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.